So today I'm going to show you how to use Equigrow's Organic Green peat-free compost. I've already prepped the bed, so I've dug my hole for my autumn beds. I'm going to add some organic green compost to the bottom. Organic green compost helps give the soil structure and adds nutrients, so when your plants are overwintering, it will keep them healthy. So just break up the roots, pop it in, and then add some peat-free compost, PAS 100 certified, all around the edges. You can use this compost all year round, so it's multi-purpose. I tend to use it in the autumn and in the spring to help my beds when it's the changing of the seasons. So that is how I would use the organic peat-free compost by Equigrow.